Hey everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. Guys, today I've come up with a conversation session wherein I'm going to pick up a topic and I'm going to speak on that topic, and I'll simplify the topic for you, like what we can speak on it, how we can speak on it, how we can structure that speech. Okay, and what all questions we can ask in each section so that it will be much easier for you to speak on that topic. Okay, so whenever you pick up any topic, first you have to decide or you have to break it down into some sections and you have to start asking questions. You have to come up with one question in each section or segment and start answering that question. It will help you in structuring your speech. Trust me on this. On that note, if you haven't subscribed my channel, guys, please quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Do write your comments in the comment section and don't forget to press the notification icon. So guys, today I'm going to talk about this very burning issue which our country is facing right now. I just thought of talking about this because if we don't talk about it, we'll not be able to find a solution. So wherever there is a problem, we have to talk about it to find a solution. Okay, so that is why I've chosen to pick up this topic and speak on it. And this topic is women's safety. I hope a lot of you must be aware of what is happening in our country. Are women really safe? Why it is happening? And what are the remedies or solutions we can provide to this issue? I'm going to take up each and talk about it. So first section, I'm going to talk about why women's safety is a big problem in our country, why it has become a big problem or challenging in our country. I think it's not about only women's safety. It's about everybody who lives in this country. It's about children, it's about elderly, it's about women, it's about men, young people, everyone. This is a concern in our country right now. There are lots of reasons to it. You can keep on hearing a lot of incidents which has happened to an elderly, which has happened to a kid or a child. They are kids, they're small children, right? So children are also in danger, elderlies are also in danger, young male and females are also in danger. It's not about women, right? Women are more prone to attacks. But it's not about only women, it's about everybody. I think the first reason is lack of education, right? A lot of people are not educated, right? So that is why they don't know the importance of respecting others, whether it is a female or a male, whoever it is. If we don't give respect to each other, it will be very difficult. The first and the foremost thing which is a concern is education. People don't have education, so that is why they don't know how to respect each other, how to give respect in terms of equality, gender bias or equal employment and so many things. We don't accept the fact that, a female is my manager, or we don't accept the fact that a male is a beautician or a hairdresser. Right? These are very common beliefs or thought process which we have. It's not about many of us, but lot of us living in villages or small towns, they still feel so. Right? They attach certain professions to people and they don't find comfortable if they find opposite gender in that field. Right? That is also one thing which needs to be addressed. So that is one thing. They're not educated enough to understand the equality thing, right? Whether it is equal employment, whether it is equality of thoughts or choosing a career or anything else, right? So that is one basic thing which we lack. The second important thing is we don't have laws in place. We don't have strict laws in place. We don't take these incidences very seriously until and unless something becomes a big issue, right? So we should not wait for that thing to become a big issue. We should start taking action. Our authorities should start taking action against such kind of acts or such kind of criminal acts, which I would say. So that is another thing which I think we lack in. So that is why these crimes are not stopping. Okay, people are not scared. People don't have the fear. People don't fear before doing that crime. So that is also one thing. So I think these are the things which really has made things difficult for us to survive in this environment everywhere, whether it is our job, workplace, or on roads, or anywhere else outside our home. So these are the reasons which has made women's safety or safety in general a big concern. Right. The next part I'm going to talk about what should we do. The first thing, we should talk about these things. It should start from our homes. We should discuss with our kids, we should discuss with our siblings, we should discuss with our parents or any our relatives or friends or whoever we meet. We should discuss these things. We should make sure everybody is aware of what is happening in today's world and what we can do about it. Right? We should always keep on thinking about these things. We should always raise voices against these incidents, these crimes, irrespective of the fact whether you are a woman or a man or a basically male or a female. We have to raise voice against any crime which is taking place. Unless and until we don't raise our voices, our authorities or the government is not going to listen to us. Nobody will care, or probably our workplace. Nobody will listen to us. We have to make a safe place for us by ourselves. By thinking about our colleagues, by thinking about our kids, by thinking about our spouses, by thinking about our relatives, friends, family, parents, everybody, right? The lots of crimes which take place with the elderlies as well. So we have to think about every single person as a society, and we should think how we can make our society safe, our workplace safe, our schools safe, our roads safe, or anywhere else, shopping complexes safe. Everywhere we need to see how safe is that place for each one of us. We have to take care of this thing. We have to keep on thinking about it. We have to keep on talking about it. We have to keep on speaking about it. We have to keep on raising our voices up against it or about it. So once we start doing it, if the authorities will get to know that yes, this is the time we should act. So that is why it is very important. This is how we can make our places safe for everybody. The next part is, what is the solution? What solutions we can come up with? The solution is very simple. Whatever is happening regarding the safety, it is a crime, right? If somebody is harassed, somebody is abused or anything else, it is a crime. It should be taken as a crime, and strict actions should be taken immediately, irrespective of the fact what the person is or who the person is. Okay, so crime should be treated as crime and people should be immediately punished. It should not take a long time to take action against that person or whoever it is. Okay, so there should be strict rules and laws which has to be in place to take strict action against the crime or the criminal. So this is first thing. Second thing is, what we can do is, if we are in a workplace, if we are in a school, or if we are in a college or anywhere else, and if we think that it's not very safe for females, or if it's not very safe for our kids or whatever, we need to start questioning our authorities, our school, our colleges, our office, workplace. We should start talking to people, to HR about it. Like, what is the safety here? What are we doing for the safety? Okay, so we should speak about it. We should talk to our authorities about it. Like, what steps are you taking for the safety of women? What steps are you taking for the safety of kids? What steps are you taking for the safety of employees in general, male, female, anybody? So we should start speaking. See, nowadays everybody is like male, female, everybody works in different shifts. But we need to start asking questions. We need to start knowing what are the measures or what are the rules for safety. What are the precautions which the company is taking for the safety of a female employee, of a male employee, or the school is taking for kids, or the college is taking for its students. Right? We should be aware of, we should know everything. We should pressurize the authority to come up with strong measures probably CCTV cameras, probably, or keeping record of the employee or the guards or the staffs, and making them accountable for a lot of things. So we have an n number of things we can come up with, we can do. We should make sure that people don't drink and come at the workplace. They're not taking drugs, just to name a few, and many things else, right? So we need to check the record. We need to keep a track of everything. We need to keep everybody accountable for different activities, and we need to be very clear about strict action to be taken against the defaulters or against the people who commit any crime. Stricter rules and monitoring will definitely help to keep the environment safe, to keep the place safe for everybody. And we need to keep on speaking about it. So I think these are the ways we can come up with to keep the environment safe for each one of us. You can also start thinking about different ways and measures which can help us to be safe, because it is our responsibility at the end of the day, guys. If we start taking these initiatives, if we start taking responsibility, it will definitely help a lot of us. It will definitely help us in making the environment safe. A small effort is also very important and very much needed right now. So guys, this is how we can speak about women's safety or safety in general. So you can also start talking about it. You can also come up with your ideas, your solutions, and maybe more questions you can take up and start answering that question in a structured way to speak about on this topic. It was a burning issue right now, and I thought of taking up this topic so that we all start thinking on this, we all start practicing things on this, or taking steps to help each other. This is how we can make all of us, a country safe. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep watching, keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye.